570.
This is 720.
No way.
Do you know the story?
I don't know. And that's how the altercation started, but...
I haven't been to a meet in a minute. Now I'm on my way to the Big Bang, A Automotive, a bunch of other collabs. Should be a big meet.
A few moments later.
There's a lot of crazy cars. I'm gonna go show you guys the cars right now. And there's a 720S matte black with blue. If you guys don't know, this is the color that I was gonna buy my Mustang in. What do you think? Convertibles on McLarens? Not convertibles.
Honestly, I'm not a fan of the 570.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is 720.
No way. Why is it?
That's a 720.
Why does it look so small?
That's what she said.
It's a convertible. Yeah. That's the other one right here.
I can't wait to get roasted.
Oh yeah, you already know you're getting roasted. Now, that's a 570.
Okay.
Oh, you like mine? I just got it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, couple
5,000 miles, clean title. So what happened to the crispy thing?
Oh man.
You were there.
Well,
let them know. What did you
see,
think?
there was a vendor I've never even heard of, right?
Yeah, that fool.
And then all of a sudden everything's getting ratchet. Crispy's doing his thing, vlogging, filming the whole thing. You already know what's going on.
Oh, what the?
Oh, shit, we gotta go. Yeah, see,
Ray
heard me, turned off the lights. He's hating on us right now.
What the hell is happening? Why they shut down the light? Oh, we're back, bro.
But anyways, yeah, so basically all the ratchetness was going down, burnouts, two-step, everything was going down. And then all of a sudden out of nowhere, Ray's came up to Crispy and said, yo, why you filming this? Crispy films everything in the first sense, so.
Yeah, if you guys don't know, if you see Crispy's story, he posts like, or just posts in general, he posts like 10-15 posts a day, bro. Reels, regular posts, he posts a lot.
So basically Crispy's posts, like, this guy's posting everything, everywhere. So Ray's come up, why you filming this? He's like, what you mean? Like, I'm always filming every single
Was
thing.
he against filming the ratchet, or is he against filming himself? Because I heard that Crispy was filming him and he don't want to be recorded.
No, so he was against filming the ratchetness at first, and then Crispy turned the camera to see what was up, who was talking to him, and it just happened to turn the camera, and then that's when he came in and hit the phone out of his hand because he didn't want people to see who was yelling at Crispy. And that's how the altercation started. But all I'm trying to say is basically Crispy posts everything, every car meet, and no matter what happens at the car meet, he's posting it. So for him to go up to him and smack his phone out of his hand, a little uncalled for.
Yeah, you never touch someone. Even if you don't like what they're doing, just get away from them. Like, don't support them, don't follow them, block them, whatever. There's no reason why you should ever just start like kicking someone's phone or any of that stuff. Now we're watching the 570 leaving, right?
Dude, it looks like a 570. It does not look like a 720.
Nah, I don't know what you're talking about. It's cause it's matte.
Probably just put the 720 badges on, honestly.
No, bro, it's not no freaking guy with a Mercedes that puts an AMG badge. It's not the same thing. You can't do that. Or these guys with like the regular Beamer and they take the 335 and put the M3.
Oh, yeah,
They're not that
pretty
guy.
bad.
It's because it's a matte black. Usually on the 7 and the 720s, it's like a color, and then the bumper is matte black.
Oh yeah, like a two-tone.
Yeah, it's a two-tone.
Yeah.
But since he wrapped it matte black, so you can't tell a two-tone. That's why in the back it looks like a 5.7.
True. Fair enough.
That's what I think.
Fair enough.
There's cops literally right there. I don't know if you guys can see them. There's cops right there. Austin, why are you not in the mix?
I know I'm not in the mix, you know. I gotta let other people have it.
People are burning out. People are
Car?
Should he get his car? What are we doing? What are we doing? Alright, I'll wait for you. It's like freaking ants when someone burns out. Everyone just run. worst thing is the quarter panel, bro. You know the story?
Huh?
Do you know the story?
I don't know if she was here. I don't know if she
Oh, yeah, she's gonna need a new door. Yep, she's gonna need they're not gonna fix that door.
That door?
They're gonna replace it.
Let me see that video.
So look at my car.
Does your door open?
Yeah.
You open it open?
Wait, something happened from inside too.
That's what I was trying to see.
Oh yeah, that's a new door, bro. There's no way. Look at the
This
other car.
bitch literally stopped in the middle of the
Wait,
intersection.
who took that video?
One of his
Oh, that's
homies on a dash cam.
But you know what you should do? You should have done went to like the hospital or something and just
My life is full of bad decisions, but I'm not regretting a thing. She making me crazy, she having my